Okay, what's up guys? I finally got my life together and my hair done. I am in the car. Turn this AC on, it's hot. Well, I'm headed to go pick up my grandma because she going to go look at this venue with me. It's crooked, but whatever as of right now. Because she's gonna go look at this venue with me. This is gonna be my first venue to go look at, so I'm so excited. Of course, Tim and I are extra, and we want like a more elegant style wedding, diamondy and stuff like that. Just very classy and stuff. And so that's the style or the theme that we're going for. So I saw this place online. I'm not gonna say the name of it because one, I can't pronounce the name of it. And so, yeah. Text my grandma, let her know I'm on my way. Put on some music. And yeah. So, I know my hair is like really long since the last time you guys saw me. Look how long it is. So I have three bundles in the back and a frontal in the front. So yeah, I did my hair like this. Tim was like being sneaky and stuff. Well, y'all see the video. He gave me money to go to She's Happy Hair, get my nails done, and get my hair done, and this is the style that I chose. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. This is my first time doing it's a full frontal. This is my first time doing a full frontal, so I'm pretty pleased with it. But let me just say a couple more things before I have to really drive because I'm gonna be on the freeway. So yeah, my ring, I love my ring. He did such a good job. I'm so excited. Like, as far as being someone's fiance, I feel so like grown up. It's weird. Like, I always wanted to get married, but like, I don't know, it's like a weird feeling. Like, you always want, like, if you're into getting married and stuff like that, and whenever the day comes, it's like, wait, hold on, what? Start over. What? That's just how I feel, if that makes any sense. I feel like some people will understand what I'm trying to say. But so yeah, Tim and I have been dating for, I've known Tim since 2013. Well, I guess if you watch the video, you're already gonna know. Like, we explain all this stuff. I've known him since 2013. We were friends for 2 years, then we dated for 4 years, and now we're engaged. So yeah. I totally just rolled that red light, but whatever. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm like nervous. We got engaged on Sunday, and like I said earlier, I've been a fiance for 6 days so far. And then like the second day, like, I'm like, oh my God, I have to freaking plan a wedding. Like, how? What? So this is the whole purpose of me doing this vlogging and stuff, because I want to take y'all with me on my journey, so that if you ever come across this video, it will be helpful or beneficial to you, how to get things started. So I'm getting a lot of help from my sister, Precious, so I can figure out like, okay, so how do I do this? That's the first thing that popped up into mind. Okay, so where do I start? And so far, it's kind of like you have to take things like step by step. First things first, create a budget. So we have our budget set, and so we're trying not to go over it, but it's hard because like everything that I like is expensive, like it's over budget. And so, but I'm the type of person, it's like, I don't like to spend a lot of money anyways, so I feel like I don't want to enter into our marriage and then we're still paying on a wedding, because I would not be happy, I know, and I know he won't be happy either. So we're trying to find something reasonable within our budget and come up with a plan to pay for it. Okay, we have to pay this for ourselves, so we have to set a budget for ourselves. So we come up with a budget, and I downloaded a couple of apps so far. I have the Knot app, and I have the app called, I think it's called Wedding Wire, and basically you can put in like the style of wedding you want, your color theme, your color scheme that you want, where would you like to have it, in a chapel, in a ballroom, at a farm, at a hotel, resort type thing or whatever. You can click on everything, what your budget is, you can put in how many people you expect to, you want to invite, and from there it will do what it does and pull up a list of things that match your criteria. And so that's pretty cool. So I've been doing that and looking at venues through that. Also, another thing is we went ahead and we went through our Facebooks and Instagram pages, and we filter out like friends that we would like to invite. Like, we're not gonna tell anybody that they're invited yet, because you never know if you might have to make cuts later. So we figured out who we wanted to invite of friends. We're gonna get a list of family members to figure out who we're going to invite, and from there we can determine, okay, so this venue is this amount of money. We need to make cuts on, like, because you gotta pay for food, we need to make cuts on some people. So and then that helps also whenever you get to your venue, they're most likely gonna ask you how many people do you plan, because some venues capacity can hold only 150, some venues can hold 300 and up, so you really have to know that type, how many people are gonna have. So I would say first things first is to make a list of people make a list of friends that you would like to invite, and then make a list of family that you would like to invite, so you have a estimated head count. Next, of course, download those 2 apps, and if I come across any more apps, I will be sure to let you know. And then third, look for a venue that is within your criteria. Oh, and then make a budget. So that's the step that I am. We have a budget set, we have an idea of how many people that we want, we have an idea of a theme and colors, and now we're gonna look for venues, because once you find your venue, you can then set your date. Welcome to my journey my wedding journey. I don't know. What else can I say? Oh, so our last name will be Evans, Timothy and Jessica Evans. So from that, if you're watching this, help me come up with a hashtag for our wedding. That would be exciting to see y'all's input in the comments below, and I will get back to you guys later. Bye. We made it to the first place, and Grandma doesn't want to be on camera. Okay, and it's really cute. Oh, I can't see. It's called, I think it's pronounced Diamisi.
I think so.
Diamisi.
Oh, you should take it out of here.
Okay.
Get the front. Let's see.
Should I take, I guess we can go inside already then. I'll get my purse out of the car in a second. Okay. Ah! So this is what it looks like. It's really cute on the front. And we'll see what it looks like from the inside. You ready? I guess we're 30 minutes early. Do you know where I put my purse? There it is. We're gonna go see if we can go inside and find a spot to sit down. Okay, so I just left the venue. Well, I left the venue a while ago. Me and my grandma were talking in the car. But the sun is really bright. Oh snap, everything's falling on me. Oh no, that's not gonna work. So the venue was absolutely amazing. It was super gorgeous. I have a lot of footage from it. Well, as much as I could take because the camera kept doing some weird stuff. Yeah, it's pretty much all inclusive. It is everything that I want, because I know, like, for sure I wanted chandeliers and I wanted a staircase, and of course the groom and groomsmen where they get dressed, the dressing rooms for the bride and the grooms or whatever. I needed that as well. Everything with this venue is pretty much everything that I want. I feel like I would definitely, because I remember I narrowed it down to like $150 people. But a tip that the lady told me is you always have an estimate, but first get the people that you know for sure will show up. And so say, like, if you're for sure know that 100 people will show up, if you for sure know that 100 people will show up, always go low. Because say, like, go with 80, because you're paying for all of those plates, and if 100 people don't show up, you're paying for plates that people aren't eating, you know, and you can't back out of the contract with that. But if you aim low, you can always add on later and they'll just give you a different invoice. So I know I said 150, but 150 people is still a lot of people, and I'm not sure if all of those 150 people will show up. So we lowered it down to 100 people, and she quoted me, let me see if I can get my glasses. So she quoted me for 100 people, which made the price go down significantly, because then we don't have to pay for an additional 50 people to eat. So with that 100 people, I have decided to talk to Tim, get together with him tonight to see if maybe we can start off with family members, see what family members will, and add them up. And then from there, we can add on, like, friends, because we can always add on to our invoice. We can never take away from the invoice once we've signed the contract. So that's just a lot of stuff that goes into this project, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm nervous, but their whole thing about how, like, they operate is they don't want, like this is your wedding, this is your time to, like, relax and mingle with your guests. The part of the service is them taking care of you, so you don't have to think about anything. And that's what I like too, because I'm the type of person that I get stressed out about everything. Like, I was engaged for like one day, the next day I'm freaking out because I have to figure out how to do a wedding and stuff like that. I'm trying to find a venue in one day and I just got engaged, and etc. So I just want to do the pretty stuff, pick out stuff and stuff like that, and then call it a day and let them do them or whatever. But anyways, this concludes today's vlog, and I will see you the next time I have an event.